And we don't need that. Hey guys, Taylor here, your Backstage Beautician, and today I'm giving you 5 different ways to put your hair up at rehearsal when you forget your hair tie. And without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, our first hairstyle requires a pencil and is the classic twist and tuck. So grab your hair in one hand, place the pencil on one side, wrap the hair around the pencil, then twist the pencil up so that the tip is facing upwards, and then tuck the tip in your hair and bring it through the other side. Easy peasy. This one's not that cute though, so we're gonna twist it into a bun. So take your hair in a ponytail and then twist it as normal, like you're going to form a bun. And then keep in mind of where your ends are, because we want to make sure they're secure. So take your pencil, tuck it, the tip up underneath, and then use a sewing motion to secure the bun to the hairs on your head until you reach the other end. And there you are, there's our pencil bun. Alright, our next one is kind of a weird one, but bear with me. All you're gonna need is a paper clip. Just a basic standard size paper clip. And what you're gonna do is open it up so that it makes an inverted S shape. This is gonna be your hair clip. And you're gonna create a half updo with this. So taking the paper clip, grab one side of the hair, pull it over, and hook the other side of the hair. All right, and there's your paperclip half updo. This one is probably only for when you're in really dire circumstances and you absolutely need something to pull your hair up out of the way. All right, our next one is a braided hairstyle. Just grab about the middle of your hair at the nape of your neck where your braid will start and separate out 3 pieces, leaving the ends tangled together. And continue to braid normally without separating out the strands completely. You may be worried it's going to create a big tangled mess, but I promise you it's not. It's going to create an inverse braid on the opposite end. So keep braiding in this method until you reach the middle of your braid. Holding the strands in one hand, take the other hand and grab the ends of the hair where you've been creating your inverse braid, and then tuck the end through the middle. And there you have it, a 3-strand braid. The tighter you braid this one from the get-go, the tighter your results will be. Our next look is called the half-up silk knot. So separate out the hair on the top of your head or in front of your ears. You can put as much hair into this half-up as you want. Wrap the hair around 2 or 3 fingers. Twist the loop around 180 degrees. Then with your fingers through the loop, grab the ends of the hair and pull them back through. Once you have the ends of the hair, keep working the knot farther down the ends until it is flush against your head. Make sure the ends are nice and tight, and voila! And there you are. There is our half-up silk knot. All right, our next hairstyle is a little more challenging, so don't be afraid to give this one a couple tries. Grab all of your hair in one hand, then separate out a strand of your own hair. Then reaching through that strand as if it was a hair tie, grab your ponytail of hair and pull it through. Then, keeping track of the strand, reach through it and pull the hair through a second time. And there you are, there's our 2-stranded ponytail. And there you are, 5 elastic and bobby pin free hairstyles, perfect for any stressful long rehearsal period. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed today's video, maybe consider pressing the like button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, break a leg!